everyone and welcome back. So I guess today is going to be a follow-up video to my Usakumya collection because, surprise, it's growing still. Also, there's a couple of items that I totally forgot to add the first time around because I, as you saw, have way too much Usakumya stuff, and so obviously there is bound to be a couple of things that I had bought and just forgot to mention. So the summer of 2020 was definitely like the summer of the Kumyas. One of multiple items that they released last summer was the baby Usakumya and Kumya hair ties, and like usual I couldn't decide which color I wanted, so I got all of them. So I got all of the colors for the Usakumyas, and I bought 2 of each of them because in the summer it's really hot and I like to wear my hair in either pigtails or buns, and so I thought that they would be really cute to be. Kumya is cute, but he's not as cute as Usakumya in my opinion, and so I only ended up getting 1 of them, but he's still really cute. Another couple of items that I forgot to mention that I had, because I forgot that I had them because I don't use them every day anymore. When I was in school before Rona happened, I would use them every day, but I have the little Usakumya pin and I have this little, there he is. I have the Usakumya pencil, lead pencil, so that's really cool. And so I used to use them all the time when I was in class for my notes and stuff, just because I like being extra cute. So before I get to the main event here, I figure that I would read the story of the Usakumya, because I realized that when I've talked to a couple of people, not everybody knows it, and I think it's an adorable story. Here's the backstory of Usakumya and why he's a bear pretending to be a rabbit. Deep in the forest of a faraway land, there lived a stylish little bear. On a sunny afternoon, the little bear happened upon a very long-eared bunny. In that moment, his heart was stolen by those lovely ears. The little bear wanted nothing more than a pair of long ears for himself. Thinking he too could have long ears, the little bear sat in front of the mirror and pulled on his round ears until they turned red. The little bear cried and cried every day because his ears remained the same. Then one day, the little bear saw a lovely girl wearing baby's clothing. She listened to his story from beginning to end and decided to grant the little bear's wish. As if by magic, the girl presented the little bear with an exquisite bunny ear bonnet. The little bear placed the bonnet on his head and he looked himself in the mirror. All of a sudden, the tears stopped. The little bear looked just like a little bunny with red eyes from endless crying and long ears atop his head. The girl exclaimed, "So cute! Where I am from, we call bears Kumya. From now on, you will be known as Usakumya-chan." The little bear was so happy. He traveled to Candyland where the little girl resides. Everyone in Candyland wears baby's clothing and everything there is cute and sweet. Usakumya-chan and the magical girl spent many fun-filled days in Candyland. The end. I personally love that story so much. I think it's so cute, and honestly it just makes me love Usakumyas so much more. So if you haven't heard that story before, I hope you enjoyed it. Now on to the main event. I'm so excited. So there was a Baby the Starshine Bright tea party in Shanghai in the beginning of December, and they had the Lucifer Usakumya exclusively for that event, and of course, as an Usakumya addict, I'm addicted and I didn't care. It was adorable. I needed it. With the help of Bell Shrimp Shopping Service on Instagram, they were able to help me obtain it, and I'm so excited. So I'm really excited that I could do this because normally I am so impatient. I usually rip this at the front door, or if I'm picking it up from the post office, I'm like ripping it apart in my car before I even get home to see everything inside. So I have a little willpower today, so I'm so excited. I don't want to look. And my daughter's gonna be so excited. She loves to pop this stuff. So I guess it was a package for me and her. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Look at how freaking adorable she is. Her little charm is all covered up for protection. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. I'm so glad that I got this thing. It was totally worth the money and worth the wait. Oh my god. I definitely think that this is my new favorite. I don't know if you can see, but like the lace is gold and glittery. And so is the ribbon. It's so pretty. And look at her feet. It's just the regular baby one, but so cute. The eye patch. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I haven't had like butterflies about opening an Usakumya, and I don't even know how long, but I am just like wow, she's so soft and new. Guys, I'm so excited. I could well, I guess this makes like, what, number 12 that I have? I definitely don't have room anymore for anything else. Thankfully, I'm moving soon, so no, I can't even think about that. I don't need more room to buy more Usakumyas. I mean, I want it, but I don't need it. All right, guys, this is it for me. You have to hold me accountable. I'm not allowed to buy anymore. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time.